So we have a lot to go through. Well, not really. It's a pretty condensed haul, but it's going to be lots of fun stuff. So let's get going. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from tattooedteacherplans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing what I'm calling a holiday haul. I'm going to show you all the kits I'm going to be using in December, along with some in January because I got a really pretty like winter kit that I'll show you. I also have my Coffee Monsterz Co. subscription to show you as well, which I'm loving this ruler just so far that I've seen. I think I'll start with the subscription because I have only opened this and I don't remember what was in it because it was a couple weeks ago. So let's get everything out. I never remember what the theme is, and sometimes the stickers will have the theme on it, but it looks like travel, but also like something else. I'm not sure. I should probably look that up. And I tried to the other day and I couldn't find it anywhere because she'd already switched over to all the 2024 stuff. So I think it's like, I don't know. It looks like news? Old-timey news? No. I don't know. We're just going to move on. Okay. So first things first, we have this ruler, which is so cute. Let me get this out of the packaging. I love rulers like this because I use them for all kinds of stuff. Usually as a washi cutter. This one is so cute. Look at this. Okay. So you have, of course, inches for the US and centimeters for Canada, where she's from. But you also have 16 fries equals 1 potato, which is totally on brand for her. This is so cute. I love the little U rule thing on it too. Adorable. And then you have like a spot where you can, like a stencil almost, where you can draw either squares or dots. And then over here you have like rounded off squares and then little triangles. That is so cute. I really love this. So same thing on this side as well. I'm probably going to use this as a washi cutter, but I also might take this to work and use it there as well. This is really cute. Okay, next we have a little notepad with a typewriter on it, which is so cute. Let me open this up. I don't know how many are on here. It feels like maybe 20, 25. Oh, it's not a notepad. It's just like a pad. So you can just tear them off. This is so cute. I really like this. And she kind of mixed it up with the, what is this? What do I call this? Like a natural background instead of like white or anything like that. We have a little, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. What do I do with this? Let me know down below because this is so cute. So this is just a little folder, but it's so tiny. It looks like it's about A5 size. Let me see. A little bit smaller. Okay, so this is maybe B6. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but it is smaller than A5. This is so cute. And then the inside, you have so many pockets. So there, and same thing on this side. I really like this. I just don't know what to do with it. So give me some ideas. Okay, then we have this sticker sheet. So my subscription, I don't have the most expensive one. I have like the middle one. And you get a mix of stickers and other stationery items, which I really like, instead of having everything or just stickers. So I'm going to stick with this subscription. You get it every 4 months, so quarterly. So we have these feel like washi stickers. Those are cute. I like the little newspaper and the little flowers and stuff. Those are cute. And I have a thing for globes, so of course the globe. Then we have a die cut here and some washi, which is, it looks like just map washi, which is like right up my alley. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so you have like a beige background and then missed a piece of plastic there. Let me find the end so you can actually see this. I think this would look so cute with my artist series, which I'm going to be using in my teacher planner in January. This is adorable. I love anything travel related, but then you throw in like the gold foil. Oh, this is so cute. It actually might be rose gold. I can't tell. It looks gold. This is so cute. I love this. This is definitely the highlight for me. I really, really love this. But I think I'm going to use this washi with that artist series because I think it'll match really well. Okay, then the last one, not exactly sure what this is. So let's see. Okay, so I got this open with some scissors. So it's some stamps, which let me go ahead and tear off like this part. Since it's got the green on it. So it's got some stamps you can tear off, which is really cute. I don't know what I would use these for. I'm sure they're meant for like journaling, planning, that kind of thing. Maybe I will try and figure out what I can do with them. But they are cute. I like them. And these, like, the newspaper one is really cute. Okay, we're gonna figure it out. We will try to figure that out. Okay, so that is the subscription. And I think it's worth it because I really like the items. I think it's a fun surprise, and she always does a really good job of like curating things, and it's just something different for me. I'm not a subscription gal. I've been burned one too many times with subscriptions, but this one has always been really fun. And even if I don't use all the items, I can give them to someone else or donate them or whatever. And I just think they're really cute. Okay, so that's the subscription. Let's go into my first Christmas kit. So this one is Groovy Christmas from Caress Press. We have a little freebie here, little silver freebie. Then I'm gonna go to the full boxes first. This one is so cute. I wanted something a little bit different. I went with this one because I thought it was a little bit different, but still has that like Christmas vibe. So here are the full boxes. These are just so cute. I really like the muted colorway. It's just kind of different, and it'll look fun when I'm like going through all of my spreads later. I really love this yellow. The green is like just a little, like a tinge of blue in it or something. It's so pretty. And then this like punch pink. These patterns are so fun. And then the bottom washi is so cute with the mushrooms. Again, I just wanted something a little bit different and just fun. These are so cute. So I think this is going to be really, really fun to work with. And I'm excited to see what I can do with this because I think the colorway is really fun. The patterns, so cute. So that one is my first Christmas kit. Then I've got one from Nikki plus 3. Haven't ordered from her in a while. She's been having like, I don't know, sporadic releases, and I just haven't kept up with it, but I just wanted to look because I was having a hard time finding Christmas kits I liked, and so I found hers, and I really, really, really like it. We have a few freebies here. Here's a Halloween one. There's a fall one, and then we've got the bows that match this kit, and then some numbers as well. So I really like when she includes these freebies because it really like makes the kit like complete, you know? Okay, so this is called December Magic. It is a 3-page kit. Okay, so she went down to 3 pages, but I saw her reformat and I felt like it was good for me and my style. So here is the full boxes page. I really love the full boxes. It's a little more traditional, and it'll be a good foil for this groovy Christmas one. I just think that is beautiful. And we've got the full boxes. They also have a little bit of foil on them. And then the bottom washi, which is gorgeous. And you've got day covers as well. These are just so pretty. Oh, okay, so this is like my traditional Christmas kit. And I'm really excited to use this one as well because it's so beautiful. And I think I might use this one for like actual Christmas week, but I haven't fully decided yet. I have a kit schedule that I use. I'll leave the link down below if you want a copy of it. I've been doing that for 2 years. It's just a spreadsheet, like a Google sheet, and it really helps me keep on track with my spending and all of that, and keeps me organized. Okay, I have a couple of more like winter kits. This one I instantly fell in love with because of the colorway. Like the blues are so pretty. So this one is called Navy Winter, and it has gold foil on it. And again, the blue and the purples like really spoke to me. Like they just pulled me right in. So here are the full boxes. So pretty. I love her script there. Overlay with the snowflake. And then here is the second page with all the boxes, plenty to work with. And then we've got lots of little functional bits, or not functional, decorative bits. So I love that she gives so many options for headers. And then the bottom washi is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like I love the like outline of the foil. So pretty. And you get a little bit of deco, which I really like that she includes this. It's just kind of fun. And then some date covers. Really beautiful kit. I love this. This one is just kind of pretty. And I just was really drawn to this one because it's a little bit softer and just like, I don't know, kind of dreamy, you know? Here's a little freebie. This is Saskia's Pumpkin Plans. Okay. And here is this kit in rose gold foil. So pretty. I love this, this foil right here with the little footprints. If you can see that, that is so cute. Okay. Here we have the boxes page. So this is the same format as the other one. I really like that little, like, the little curly cues. It's really fun. And then we have the last page with the bottom washi, which is gorgeous. And then again, that little curly cue pattern. So many different like options for layering, and you could spread this kit over 2 weeks easy. This is so pretty. I like the deco too. That sweater looks super cozy. Okay, so this is the city kit. I don't think I said the name of it, but the city kit's so pretty. Really like that. Okay, so that's it from Sadie's stickers. Then we have Jessica Hearts, and then a new to me shop, which I'm really excited to share. So we have a journaling card, of course, in all of her kits. And then we have Holiday Mornings. I really like this one. It's very cozy. Here is the freebie from October. I think I ordered it at the end of October. Okay. And here is the kit. Okay, you know what really pulled me in on this one was these cinnamon buns. And I don't know why. I just think they look delicious. I really like this photo as well. And then you just have the coffee here. You've got tea, the pancakes. I mean, oh, and then the sweaters in the closet. I just really like this one. It's really fun. The colors are also really fun. Cute. A little bit different from my other kits as well. Oh my gosh. Like, come on. Look at those cinnamon rolls. That is so fun. And then here is the last page. Big covers, boxes. Oh, this really sold it for me. Like, come on. So pretty. Okay, so then we have this new to me shop, Lynner Designs. Now this one is like my New Year's kit, but this one, let's do this one first because this was an impulse purchase. And maybe you don't know this about me, but I love this movie. My sister and I are absolutely obsessed with this movie. She's the man. And I don't know why. Like, it just came at a time when, like, we both loved it, thought it was hilarious. It's still hilarious to me to watch, like, today. And I don't know, it's just so, so funny. Okay, so I don't know what's in this kit, really. This is a bunch of pages. So let's go through this together and see. Because I just got, like, the basic kit, like, whatever came. And I don't know, I don't think I looked really closely at what was in here. So let's do it together. So we've got this page with the full boxes, which is just so funny. I love this. And the tarantula. So here's the second page. We've got another full box. We've got some bottom washi. She does have a lot of foil in her shop too. So I know that's why she included the 2 strips. Got lots of boxes and labels. This one also, same thing, but like solid. And then you've got some some smaller boxes and some glitter headers, really chunky glitter, which I prefer. And then you've got some deco, which is really cute. Some square boxes, which I love. And that is it. So I feel like I need to do something about the bottom washi. Like, I need to either get some foil or just like make peace with having a plain strip, which I don't mind. I really like this color right here mixed in with these bolder ones. That's kind of fun. But I love this kit. I haven't shown it to my sister yet, but I should because this is so funny. Do I know when I'm going to use this? Absolutely not. No idea. But I have it. Maybe we need to do like a movie night and do a rewatch and I can use it then. Okay, then this is my New Year's kit. This is called 2024. I can't remember who told me to get this kit, But I put a box on Instagram and I said, like, tell me about New Year's kits. Because I didn't want one that's like all glittery and like going out, because I know I'm not going to because I'm tired. So I don't know. I did get Jen Joy's Joy Plans, her freebie, because I follow her on YouTube and Instagram, and I just really like her her planning and stuff. Here's another little freebie from November, and then we have the 35 plus freebie, which is more scripts, and then a little card from Lynn. Okay, so this is the kit. It is very cute, and it's got like stay-at-home vibes, but also like, but it's still got some of those like fun elements of like party New Year's. So we've got like the balloon, what do they call these, arches, and then the tree is still up, and you've got like a little headband. So it looks like someone is throwing a party, but like a fun stay-at-home party, which I prefer. Okay, so we've got the full boxes here. I love the little puppy, so cute, and the pizza, yum. Bottom washi, and another box, a little tiered tray, which is so cute. Some boxes patterned, and then we have the solid, the glitter headers, chunky, love it. And then a bunch of little deco, which is so cute. I would use this across the top of the spread. Weekend banner, and that is it. So I'm very impressed with Lynner Designs. I didn't know what to expect, but her quality is excellent, and it came pretty quickly as well. I think within 2 weeks it was in my hands, and I really like this. Like, there's so much to work with. I think I need to go on her site and see if you can order like individual sheets, because I would definitely get like a smaller kit because I don't use that much. But if this is like the only kit she offers, there's so much. Definitely could use this over 2 weeks, if not more, because there's so much to work with. But I'm very impressed. I will definitely order again because she has a lot of like exclusive art, and I just was like, this is one of the movie kits that she had with exclusive art, but she has so many more, and I definitely need to explore some more because I think those are super fun to use like themed weeks. That is it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it and you have a very safe and lovely Christmas or holiday time, winter time, however you celebrate. I hope that you have a great one, and I will see you in the new year with some new goodies. If you enjoyed this haul, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed and you'd like to stick around. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you next time. Bye.